Geek Nights, what's poppin'? It's Adonis. We are back for another sneaker unboxing. Today, though, is extremely special because we have the Dragon Ball Z and Adidas collab. Goku and Frieza sneakers. Let's unbox these. Yep. And if you guys are fans of geek culture content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and have notifications turned on so you don't miss any future content. Now, those of you that know me know that I'm a huge Dragon Ball fan and I love sneakers, so this is such a dope collaboration for me. I'm rocking the Nandeska shirt today. Got my Goku Saiyan shirt. Check this thing out. Super sauce. So we're ready to go. Let's unbox these right now. I actually picked both sneakers up from Sneaker Boy here in Australia. The day it dropped, everybody tried to get these sneakers at midnight, and Adidas sold out literally in minutes. I think we got 24 pairs in Australia, like total 24 pairs at Adidas. Not in Gold Coast, I'm talking about in all of Australia, 24 pairs. Crazy. So this is just a receipt from Sneaker Boy. Luckily, the sneaker boutique where I live here in Gold Coast that had them, which was crazy. So I just got them sent to me today, and here we go. So this is the first sneaker in the collection. Got the black Dragon Ball box. This is super clean. And on the left side, on the left spine, you have this nice Goku image here. And it's a gloss image. It's really nice. Really, really clean. Got the Dragon Ball with the Adidas logo or the Adidas logo as the star replacement, which is really cool. We have the Adidas or Adidas logo with the Dragon Ball Z logo here in a blue gloss also. And then on the right spine is the comic book strip or manga strip Goku with part of the dragon. And as you stack them and collect them, it forms an image. And then obviously on the top we have the Dragon Ball Z and the Adidas originals. Or yeah, this is so cool. I absolutely love this box so much. Slide this out, and we are greeted with a very cool insert paper here, which is essentially a manga panel. Really cool. And we have, oh my goodness, okay. We have the Goku sneakers here. Just so you guys have an idea of what the sneaker actually is, these are the ZX500 Restamod, and they are boost all around the bottom. So the entire sole is boost. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this other sneaker out here, and we'll go ahead and take a look at these as well. So pull the other sneakers out. So we have both sneakers here. And I just want you to see, I want you guys to see what manga panel this is actually from. Really dope. I absolutely love this. I have a primitive collaborative t-shirt as well that you can pick up. I still think Zoomies has them, um, but it's primitive and Dragon Ball Z collab. This is actually a t-shirt that I own. Really dope. And then inside the box we have all the Dragon Balls in there, which is really cool. Now we're greeted with these sneakers here, and right off the bat, I love the materials. The suede on here feels really, really good. I like that. So we got around the toe box here. We have this kind of mesh material. It's not a prime knit. It's just more like a mesh. We have this kind of like distressed. I want to say it looks like a faux denim or just like a some kind of fabric. I'm not really 100% sure what it is. It would be really cool if this was some kind of denim material, but it's almost like the gi material, which is really cool. And that follows through on the tongue as well with its distressed look on the top of the tongue. We got the Adidas logo inside the tongue. We have the one star Dragon Ball, basically signifying that this is the first sneaker. I really wish it was the four-star ball since Goku in the four-star, but I understand for the collaboration what they were trying to do. Like that, we have this nice little red stripe around the bottom. I'm not 100% sure what this says because I can't read that, but if you guys know what it says, let me know in the comments down below. And then we have the blue under here as well, wrapping around the back. Really, really cool. The colorway is awesome. This actually will go really well with what I'm wearing right now. But yeah, at first glance, I'm really interested to see what this looks like on foot. We got the logo on the back, which is really cool. Basically, it's the same logo that you see here on my shirt. Really awesome. So I dig that quite a bit. Then you have the red here for the shoelaces. Really interesting. I wasn't 100% sure how these would actually look in person, to be completely honest. Online, it does look a little bit childish. And then you do have the flying nimbus inside, which is really cool as well. But for whatever reason, in person, they look way better in person than they do online, and that's just something that I've noticed myself. I was really excited about the Frieza sneaker for sure. I was like, I for sure will wear the Frieza sneaker, 100%. Not sure if I'm gonna wear the Gokus, and it's not like a fanboy thing, like I want to collect it. I want to wear them, but I wasn't really feeling the aesthetic. But in person, it actually looks really good. Now, this back here is a nice gray. It's not white. So this is the white here. So you can see that's gray. So you have a few different colors that you wouldn't think would really go together, but they actually fit pretty solid on this sneaker. So we're gonna put these to the side here, and I'm gonna move this box out the way so I don't have that. And we're going to go into the Friezas. So this is the sneaker that I'm super excited about. And this is the receipt for that. We're gonna go ahead and unpack this. And this is going to mimic the other shoebox as well. Instead, on that side, we have the Frieza image on the side, also in that gloss. We have the two Adidas logos here. I just spit all over my table. Two Adidas logos to signify the second sneaker, which is really cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and slide these out and see what's popping inside of this box. Oh my God, bruh. Oh my God. These are sauce. Oh my God. All right, let's pull these out. These sneakers are ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Where do I start? Okay. So if you guys don't know what these are the Adidas Young Ones. And this also has a couple of bespoke things to it versus the other Young One sneakers that are out there. Color palette, right off the bat, love it. I love the touches of leather and the suede. The suede is super soft, like really soft suede on the toe box. And that mimics here as well. Then we have this almost, it looks like a corduroy, but it's not a corduroy. It looks really fucking cool. It feels really cool as well. We have the three stripes here going on the side, and they repeat on the other side as well. We got the purple around the box and the midsole, and then on the back, these are the bespoke parts to this shoe that aren't on the traditional Young One. This is just a cutout on the Young One with mesh inside. This here has a bulge reminiscent of Frieza's shoulders or his head plate. Same thing with the tongue here. It has that purple gloss. Really cool, just to signify that it is a Frieza sneaker. I love that a lot. And both sneakers have a Dragon Ball insole as well, a Dragon Ball Z insole, which is really cool. I think it's the same color on this one. Nope, this one has a yellow Dragon Ball insert. So we have red on this, we have yellow on these, white laces. This is such a cool sneaker. And then we have this other gray suede up where the shoe laces are and on the side. Really cool. I really dig this quite a bit actually. But yeah, this sneaker is probably my favorite out of the collection, just as one that I would want to wear for sure. Like right off the bat, I was like, I'm fucking with those for sure right out the box. They look super dope. So now the most important part is, what do these feel like and what do they look like on foot? Hit the montage. Let's go. So right off the bat, the Young One sneaker is surprisingly comfortable and surprisingly light. I thought the bulky dad shoe vibe would actually have a little bit more weight to it, but it actually feels extremely light. Now the heel to toe transition feels really good. It definitely isn't Boost, however, it does feel comfortable in transition, and I really like the colorway on foot, especially with some cool socks to kind of accent the pinks and purples on the shoe. Now, the ZX500 Gokus are definitely the more comfortable sneaker out of the two, however, not by a long shot. And I was actually surprised too with this sneaker because of the narrow profile. I was a little concerned since I do have a wide foot, but there was no complaints here. The shoe literally expanded to my foot, extremely comfortable, and the heel to toe transition on these are really good as well. Given the boost, I love boost. Let's go. And the look of the sneaker actually grew on me once I put the sneaker on my foot. I actually like it way more on foot than I do off foot. And maybe it's just filling out the silhouette with the foot inside of the shoe, but it looks way better than I thought, and potentially something I would wear way more now that I've actually seen it on foot. That'll do it for this episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know, what team are you on? Team Goku or Team Frieza? Which sneaker do you guys like the best? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, have the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any future content. If you like the video, smash that like button, show your boys some love. And if you want to check out my latest videos, the links will be right here to the side. All right, guys. Until next time. Stay geeked.